Hi, my name is Paul May and I'm with Equipped Expedition Outfitters, and today we're going to talk to you about the Campmor Outdoor Safari ground tent line. Campmor Outdoor is of Johannesburg, South Africa, and their company designs safari lodges for the African continent. The Safari line of ground tents that we're offering you is a portable line made with the same quality, craftsmanship, and construction that they make their safari lodges out of. The model that we have here is called the Safari Bow, and it's representative of the entire line of portable tents that we're offering in the United States. This is the largest of the three models that we have. Ben is going to come out and we're going to put this thing together, and you get to watch us how we do it. Here we go. Okay, so now we have the tent laid out, and there's a set of poles here, all based off of a T, or an X in the middle here. They're solid spring steel rods, very, very heavy duty rods. They'll never be a problem for you, never bend. What we do is we tie the center of the top of the tent right around the center of the top of this T. This way it centers the material. Very simple process. And after we do that, we take the first clip down each pole and hook it on so that it doesn't put a lot of strain on that little set of ribbon. Now each of the spring steel rods are mounted here together and hooked together so that you don't lose any of them. And each of the panels on this tent have a set of spring steel clips that hold the material to the rods. It's a very, very nice system, very robust. And now what we do, we need to get some air into the tent area first. So we're going to open up a window, provide a little ventilation so that it doesn't create a vacuum in there. We'll open up a window here. So Ben and I are each going to get on an end here and lift it. And what you'll notice is that this tent system is very much like your lightweight backpack system in how easy it goes up. You grab the rods in the center there, grab it here. You gonna get me first? Okay. So I go in the hole over here, then Ben goes in his. Yep. Ben goes in his. So if you imagine setting up your backpack tent, only it being very, very heavy duty, that's what we have going on here. There you go. These rods are stronger than us. Go ahead, Ben. Got it? Okay, so we put this last one in. You grab the center. Thank you. Put that rod in here. This rod in here. All right, so this last rod goes in right here. Now we go around and hook the clips on the walls. Very simple process. You notice that each one of these clips is mounted to a grommet, and the grommet is mounted into a very heavy-duty cotton ribbon, and that ribbon is then sewed to the tent material. And all the stitches on each one of the sections are double stitched for heavy duty construction. And as I said, this tent is designed to be a semi-permanent use tent. And why I say that is that the materials that they use are a very, very special material. The material is actually made in South Africa, and it's called dynaproofing. And what they do is they take this material and they immerse it in a solution that has a UV protectant, a fire retardant, an algicide, and a fungicide built into the solution. They immerse the material in that solution, and then they squeeze the material through a squeeze mangle, which is a series of rollers that compress the solution into the material so that it is actually pressed into the fibers of the material. It's not just a coating, but it's an actual compression of that material, and they do that twice to ensure that the material has completely absorbed those solutions. And the effect is that we have a tent that is now designed to last seasons and even years in continual use. It's a very, very nice process.
Every window and door on the tent has a series of buckles and heavy-duty
YKK zippers. The base of the tent is a heavy-duty PVC material, very heavy-duty material, and the mesh is a very heavy-duty mesh designed for years of use, not just a few seasons. So inside the tent, this model is a 10 by 10 unit. It's able to sleep up to 5 adults, or you can set up several cots inside for comfortable living for a couple people. We prefer it for 2 people, actually. It's a lot easier that way. It's a very nice setup. Now it also comes with a rain fly and a windshield. Excuse me. So the rain fly goes over the top, and then you have a windshield that comes off a couple of the poles that come out in the front, either on right-hand side or left-hand side, and we're going to show you how that works in just one second.